Hey everybody. So today I'm going to actually just do a quick unboxing of something I'm going to be doing next. But first, get a weather check. Yeah, it's a warm one. So anyway, I opened it just so it'd be easier to deal with, but let's see what we got. Sorry, I'm trying to get used to this. What do we got? Just a little hint. And there's a chance it could be for somewhere back in this area. So anyway, may as well do the whole unboxing while we're here. Let's see what we got. Sorry about the hand, guys. This is some good tape. So here we go. Let's see what we're looking like. Nice packaging. Not sure why we have that, but and here we go. This is actually the third brake light. I'm gonna leave it in this packaging, but yeah, pretty cool. So there's the connection, and they send you a little thank you, of course, because when you spend a lot of money, they thank you. So anyway, I'll probably do this maybe this weekend, but let's just do it. Quick outside look at the truck while we're out here. So of course, TRD Pro wheels like everybody's got. BFG KO2s. These steps I've had on since I bought this thing, so it's about 10 years now, I guess. Of course, the rain guards, flag, blackout emblems. But yeah, not bad for 2014. And I got the Morimoto headlights, the TRD Pro grill, sorry, license plate. And these fog lights, I forget, they might be Baja Designs, but I'd have to check, I'm not sure. And then I got these, actually I put these blackout signals in as well. Got some taped over black grips or handles. Same for the gas tank. And these are actually the, what are these called? The Alpharex tail lights, which are pretty cool. And just of course some stickers. Sorry, you might notice maybe I'm a Chiefs fan my whole life from that area. So yeah, guys, try to figure out when I'll throw this on, and I'll let you all know. But just want to say thanks for everybody that looks at the videos. Like I said, I'm new at this, and this is a raw video. This is from Thursday, May 30th. And yeah, so hope you enjoy, and more to follow. This one, for one. But yeah, Take care, everybody. Have a great weekend. Aloha.